Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGLB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, it was a savage move, total gap and trap, and I'll get to what I mean by that in a second here. And now it's really a question of, is this chart going to just completely go right back to where it started, which would make things look not good at all. But let's first just address the gap and trap, because that's really the charting terminology way that you could quickly summarize today's movement. So if you're new and not sure what I mean by gap and trap, all that means is that on Monday the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And then after the gap up, the opening bell rang, and you can see that the price ultimately went all the way up there. However, that's where things get savage, because there were some poor souls buying up around this area. And then from that point forward, it was just all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that took place. But now that brings about to what I would definitely consider a must-hold, do-or-die level of support. And that sits down here at $2.70. Why is $2.70 so important? And I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation purposes, if the price were to come down here to $2.70 and then break to the downside, what would that be doing to the chart? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. Or said another way, that would imply that the price absolutely exploded upwards to then go right back to where it started, which is not a good sign from the bullish standpoint at all. Again, not saying that that's what's going to happen, but that is why that area is certainly a very important level moving forward. In the event there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, first key level of resistance going to be right there at the $3.10 mark. And then after 310, next key level right up there around $3.65. But yeah, right now the chart's looking pretty shaky, but we'll see how things play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.